Hi guys! Welcome to Simply Basics. Panibagong tutorial na naman tayo. This time, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano tugtugin yung song na Living on a Jet Plane by John Denver. Napakadali lang tugtugin ang kantang ito guys sa acoustic guitar. Bali 3 chords lang kasi ang ginamit sa kantang ito, kaya hindi kayo mahihirapang mag-memorize. Ang mga chords na ginamit sa kantang ito ay G, C, at D. Yun guys, 3 chords lang. And then, yung strumming pattern na gagamitin natin ay down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Yun guys. Bali, tugtugan na natin siya para makuha ninyo yung pagkasunod-sunod ng mga chords. Start agad tayo sa verse 1. Doon yun sa part na all my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up and say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morning. The Texas waiting is blazing on. Already I'm so lonesome I break down. And then, magkukuros na kayo. Same chords lang din. So busy and small for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Tell me that you never let me go. 'Cause I'm living on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Hoping I have to go. And then, papasok lang kayo sa after ng chorus, papasok na kayo sa second verse. Doon yun sa part na there's so many times I've let you down, so many times I've played around. I tell you now, they don't mean nothing. Sa parts lang. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing, I sing for you. When I come back, I'll be your wedding ring. And then, chorus na naman kayo. Same chords lang. G. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me you'll wait for me. All the love you never let me go. 'Cause I'm living on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Hoping I have to go. And then, pagkatapos ng verse 2, chorus 2, pwede kayo mag-instrumental. Dalawang round lang nung mga chords na ginamit natin. G, C, G, C, and then G, C, D. Pwede kayo mag-instrumental, pwede din diretso na kayo sa verse 3. Same chords lang din yung gagamitin. And then after ng verse 3, magko-chorus kayo, and then after ng chorus, mag-outro kayo. Pero yung outro niya, para lang naman siyang chorus. Pero medyo tatasan nyo yung tono sa yung pagkanta. Parang ibahin nyo yung pagkanta. Ganito. 'Cause I'm living on a jet plane, wanna be back again, to go. And then, yun guys. Goods na kayo. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at mag-hit ng notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos na i-upload. Thank you for watching. God bless.